Boo. Good morning, guys. I wanted to share with you something that I do around the house, and I just wanted to make up a disinfectant for you and show you how simple and easy and holistic and clean it can be. And then we're going to go out in the garden and we're going to do something, because I just come in from the garden and I've been planting some things. So we're going to do that right now. So you just take a regular old bottle and you can disinfect it. You can wash it. It's already had the solution in it, and the old stickers from this stuff is on it. But it's just an old bottle. Old spray bottle. Nobody's up. It's morning. So what we're going to do is we've got here, there's the tea tree. Is that backwards? But you're going to read that. I'm going to hold it still, right? So you read that. Oh, gosh. Okay, now you're going to read the small print, because I can't. Read it out loud to me. Some warnings. Be careful. Don't get this stuff in your eyes for sure. And don't ingest it. Don't swallow it. It's very good for all kinds of things. Good for dandruff, good for acne, good for as a wound dressing. You put it on your bandage and it's a disinfectant. It disinfects absolutely everything. So what we're going to do is we're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. God bless. Now, one of the things that mice, spiders, anything crawling doesn't like is peppermint. So, read it. Learn about it. Check it out. Whatever. So you got that? So peppermint. Don't get this in your eyes either. Rats. You're the rat. Rats hate this. Mice hate this. Want to get rid of rats and mice? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Whoops. And an extra one for the chef. One for the cook. Okay, that's it. Now, because this is an essential oil and it doesn't like to bond with water much, we take Dawn and we support the duckies. And we just put a few drops in. We're going to put just a few. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And we don't want it to be too bubbly because we want to disinfect things, not soak them up, right? And we don't want to have to wash this stuff off because it works really, really good. So now we're just going to add some water to the top. And you'll see it bubble, but not much. And that's it. And it smells divine. Smell. Smell it. In through your nose, out through your mouth. And I tell you, it's wonderful stuff. So now, you don't have to shake it. You don't have to pre-shake it or anything else. But it works absolutely wonderfully on all surfaces. It cleans everything. It just cleans. It cleans. And I've used this particular solution that I just come up with. Not too much. Don't use too much. Too much of a good thing is hard to live with. You know, like me. Just kidding. Okay, so if you want to, you can put lemon rinds or orange rinds in here as well. But that's more of a vinegar solution that you want to play with for that. So save all your rinds and then add vinegar, seal them up tightly, put it in under the sink for a couple of weeks, and then you have a wonderful citrus vinegar, also a disinfectant. Lemon was the first disinfectant, the first bleach, the first... it was the first. Anyways, that's what we do. We spray the garbage lids, we clean the counters, we wash the floors. This is a great, pretty much non-streak kitchen glass cleaner, so that works really good too. So, cool. So there you go. Magic. Magic in your bottle. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go outside. And what happened was we had, I don't know if you guys, the same thing happens to you, but your garlic starts to grow. And your onions get moldy sometimes. And there's one in there, you know. But, so I just poked a few holes in here for some air. And because it stuck when it's shrinking now. But look, you see? And we just give it some fresh water every day. And it's just a little crystal to help give it some light, because we're in a not very light window. Right? Anyways, so we're going to take this little crystal out, and then we're going to go outside. And but before we do that, we're going to do one more thing. So wait right there. Celery. It's still alive. It's still very much alive, and I don't know, some of you, a lot of you are gardeners and some of you aren't, but this is growing in my kitchen window. This could be too. What we're going to do, and so could this. Oops. Well, we'll take those outside. So what we're going to do, save your bottoms of your celery and your lettuce and your onions and all your stuff like that. So we're just going to cut this off right here. But first of all, we're going to take all these good ones off, because we don't need all the outside ones. So we're going to take all the outside ones, and you're going to start to see little hairs. See? There's one. Those are all potential roots. Okay? So I hope you can hear me if the camera's not backwards. Otherwise, this is muffled and all of it's useless, and you'll just have to watch instead. So we're taking, you can see all the little roots, potential roots coming, right?